Do you want to grow dazzling dahlias in your garden but you're unsure where to start? Fear not. We're about to embark on a journey that will transform your gardening skills, unearthing the secrets of nurturing these stunning flowers. Stay tuned to discover the top 7 tips for growing gorgeous blooms. Firstly, remember that location is key. Dahlias love the sun. These stunning blooms thrive when they're basking in warmth, so a sunny spot is non-negotiable. Think of places where the sun's rays linger longest. So ensure your dahlias get at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Secondly, prepare your soil. Dahlias prefer a rich, well-draining soil. To achieve this, add compost or well-rotted manure. This enriches the soil, improving both texture and fertility, setting the stage for successful growth. With the right soil, your dahlias will thrive. Thirdly, timing is everything. Plant your dahlias after the last frost. This is vital because it ensures your dahlias aren't exposed to harsh conditions that could hinder their growth. Dahlias thrive best in warm, nurturing weather. Remember, timing is crucial for their successful growth. Fourthly, water wisely. Dahlias don't like to sit in waterlogged soil. It's crucial to understand the balance between quenching their thirst and drowning their roots. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common cause of dahlia downfall. So, water your dahlias thoroughly, but infrequently. Fifthly, stake your dahlias. These plants can grow quite tall and may need support. Staking dahlias is crucial, as it provides stability, preventing them from toppling over. With the right support, these beauties can reach their full potential. Staking helps your dahlias grow upright and strong. Sixthly, feed your dahlias. They are heavy feeders and need lots of nutrients. A balanced fertilizer is key to providing these nutrients. It offers a blend of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all essential for healthy growth. Proper feeding will ensure your dahlias bloom beautifully. And lastly, protect your dahlias from pests. Slugs and snails can be a problem. Use eco-friendly methods like copper tape or slug pellets. Encourage natural predators like birds or hedgehogs. With proper protection, your dahlias will be free from harm. Now, you have the top 7 tips for growing dazzling dahlias. Embrace the beauty of these blooms by choosing the right spot, preparing the soil, planting at the right time, watering wisely, staking, feeding, and protecting from pests. If you found these tips helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice.